We doing it for KnobHill. We doing it for KnobHill. Representing the committee, about to paint the whole city, but we doing it for KnobHill. Why you shy in the shadow? Claim to be competitive, but you ain't ever been in battle. You can hear graffiti, can rattle. KnobHill Urban Arts District, do a little dabble. Summertime for the barbecue. Culture Fest 719 brought the party through. Cooler full of ice, eating party food. Rooftop, Tupac and Biggie with a party view. Enjoying the art, it is a part of you. Tribulation for the ones that have departed too. Representing live for the hardest crew. Union and Circle in the middle of Platte Avenue. Muji about to bomb another wall. Brian and Molly are at the office on another call. Dad with a phone, filming for it all. Pays high on a ladder, still working through the fall. MaCaATIC. You can find me in the street. Press Macadoe is a pioneer. Drop another beat right now. I'm the one that got you tapping both your feet. 420 Art Jamboree, mission is complete. Picasso, representing for Santo Pueblo to Sea Springs, we smoking cilantro. Paint the whole kitchen in your condo. Leave a toe tag for a note like you're John Doe. Representing for the city, community came together, creating our own committee. KnobHill, baby. Hit the ground running, getting busy with a schedule full of murals round the clock, getting dizzy. KnobHill, baby. Spray painting all the brain away. Colorful Colorado at night until the break of day. Run away. And you know we do our job. Hashtag the trash tag. Polish the knob. Polish the knob. We doing it for KnobHill. Doing it for KnobHill. Representing the committee, about to paint the whole city, but we doing it for KnobHill. We doing it for KnobHill. We doing it for KnobHill. Representing the committee, about to paint the whole city, but we doing it for KnobHill. Summertime in my Ray-Bans, paint the KnobHill with my bucket full of spray cans. Representing the committee, about to paint the whole city, but we doing it for KnobHill. Doing it for KnobHill. Doing it for KnobHill. Representing the committee, about to paint the whole city, but we doing it for KnobHill.